Hey everyone, thank you for watching my Marinas DIY tutorial. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this grapevine wreath that I'm making. It's a summer wreath and it's inspired by Pinterest. And I'm going to show y'all how y'all can, put a wreath together. If y'all see it, it doesn't have to be, the ribbon doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as it's similar to it, and also the other the letters or the Walmart, and I was able to find it. Mijo, will you go give me that spray can? I think it fell down there. And then what I done, I went ahead and I sprayed it with this. I went ahead and painted it with this rustic chalked linen white spray. And then it didn't have any things where I could, hang them up to here. So what I done, I went ahead and got my stapler and stapled some of this clear pipe wire. I cut it and then I kind of just, stapled it like that. And then I got the little hooks and then I hooked them up to here. Now you can use wire if you'd prefer, to use wire. Okay, so let me show y'all how easy it is. Okay, so usually this is the way I start mine. I always put my letters or my frame, kind of, to see, what I'm working with. And then this is the size of the grapevine that I'm working with. Then I went ahead and I've already done my bow. And this has 3 different designs on the bow, and I used this one, and it's a 2.5 inches on this. I used, which was this one, and then this one, and then I went ahead and used some of this, kind of like a burlap kind over it. And so see, I've already got my, so I'm going to go ahead. AJ, will you get the phone and put it for him? My grandson's watching who are you watching? The Warriors. He's watching the game right now, but he's also helping me a little bit. It's over there. Go through over there, Mina. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my bow already. And I'm going to put it back about right here. And I used you can use your wire or you can use your, okay, so now we already got our bow in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and start with my greenery. Now, I don't glue my greenery right away because I might want to move my flowers. You're going to have to get away. Some right there, and this is some greenery that I found at Michael's, and I really didn't like it. And I'm going to have a little bit hanging down here. Now, when you see something that inspires you on Pinterest, and you want to, do the same design, you can do it. It doesn't have to be exactly the same ribbon, but something that kind of resembles it. And I probably won't use all this greenery for it. Over here. Go like this. Okay. And then I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? And these were like little napkin holders, but I like them because it's like rubber and they're real flexible. So I just went ahead and took the little, kind of make it black. And you know what? On these I probably will have to go ahead and just go ahead and do Mijo, okay. Then I'm gonna put the long thing on the back, so that's why I am doing these. This. And excuse the lighting. I know it's nighttime right now, so I'm trying to do my lights, but you know the computer still looks kind of, you know, dark. Go ahead and glue this one in here also. Okay, coming together. Okay, see how it's all kind of coming together. Go ahead. Okay. Now I have some more right here that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm already starting to like how it's coming along. Okay, and these are the little fillers. Now I'm going to put all the little fillers on them. And then this was just a project that I was needing to get out of the way. I already had the stuff and everything. I just really needed to finish it off. And I'm going to put my little fillers. Bring it in a little bit more. Okay, so y'all kind of see, and then I just went ahead and put the fillers. I'm putting all the fillers in there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get a longer wire for my, you know, for my bow. But this is like so simple to make. As y'all can see, I just went ahead and I put my flowers, my fillers, and my bow. See if I can. And there you have it. And I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. It was super easy to make, and I know that y'all can make it. Thank you for watching.